Most beginners think acting is about emotion. They believe that if they can feel something strongly enough, the performance will work. So they push, they force intensity, they try to show emotion. That usually creates tension instead of truth. Real acting is not about showing how you feel, it's about responding to what's happening. Another common mistake is thinking acting is about confidence. You'll hear people say, just be confident. That advice is useless. Confidence without skill is just noise. Real confidence comes from knowing what to do when the moment arrives. Beginners also tend to overthink performance. They worry about how they look, how they sound, whether they're doing it right. That pulls attention away from the scene itself. I always say acting works best when your focus is outward, on the situation, on the other person, on the problem you're trying to solve. Struggling does not mean you're bad at acting. Struggling usually means you're learning something new. If acting were easy, training wouldn't exist. So if you feel awkward, uncertain, or uncomfortable, you're not failing, you're participating. And that's the difference between someone who grows and someone who quits.